Good evening, everybody. Today we're going to look at doing some more service on the Exmark radius. A much requested video that I've gotten in the comments, changing the hydro oil. So Hydro Gear makes these kits that you can get to service the transaxles, and it comes with everything you need to do it. These are all the models that it covers, so this video, if your mower has any of these model transaxles, then this video should be helpful to you. So for safety purposes, I've gone ahead and chocked both wheels, and I've disengaged the parking brake, since the parking brake does have a pin in the transaxle on this model. So to begin the process, we're going to come down here under the mower, back here near the rear. You can see this right here. This is one of your hydro gears, and this is a skid plate on one of your filters. And there's two 3/8 inch bolts on both sides. So we're going to go ahead and come under here and get those off, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. Alrighty, so get your catch can handy, slide that up underneath where the filter is, and we'll start unscrewing the filter to drain the oil. Now we'll repeat the same process on the other side. A strap wrench might be helpful because they get these on pretty tight at the dealer when they put them on, or maybe at the factory. So while the fluid finishes draining, we'll go ahead and we'll open up our transaxle service kit and get everything out of there. So after both sides finish draining, go ahead and take your new filter, apply a thin layer of film of oil on this gasket here all the way around, and seal it up. Next, to begin the filling process, we're going to come onto the right side of the machine, and we're going to come under and find this bolt right here beside this piece of metal that connects to your lap bar. It's a 13/16 bolt. We're going to unscrew that. After you break it loose, you can unscrew it, and this is where you're going to put your hose to start filling it. Next, we'll take this white fitting and screw it in to where we just took out that. After you've completed that, go ahead and take this hose and push it directly onto the nipple. Following that, we'll bring our first bottle over, break the seal if you haven't already. Take our pump, screw it on in, and start pumping away. So after you successfully completed one, go ahead and go to your second quart, and after you finish this one, you'll be done with the first axle, and you can do the same steps to the second one. Alrighty guys, so once you finish that up, don't forget to put this plug back in and get it tight, and then you can move on to the right side and just repeat the same steps for that, and I will catch you when I'm finished. Alrighty, once you make sure everything's tight down below, we'll come up here to the expansion tank and we'll fill it up. Fill it up probably a little bit above the full cold because it's going to take some, and we'll roll the mower outside, jack it up, fire it up and let these wheels turn a little bit, idle it, and see how much we need to add. Purge the system of all the air. Alrighty, so after you've completed that and you realize your fluid's where it needs to be and you've bled it out pretty good, make sure, come back under here, check around your filters for leaks. I don't seem to have any, so I'm going to install the guards for the filters, and that'll complete my tutorial on how to change the transaxle fluid in the Exmark radius. Thank you guys for watching. Alright guys, so I want to thank each and every one of you for watching this video. Hope it was all helpful for you. If you came from my mowing setup video, I will have some more mowing content coming out for you soon with the radius, and I also have a new piece of equipment that I added to the fleet. You might have had a bit of a teaser from the driveway. I haven't looked at the video yet, but stay tuned and I will have some more mowing content for you to come. As always, thank you guys again for watching. Like, subscribe if everything was helpful, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks.